Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address on Lululemon account. If you are looking for a way to update your email address for Lululemon or change your email address, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar, type in lululemon.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your lululemon.com account by entering your credentials. Once you are logged into the account, mouse over to the My Account tab at the top right hand corner, which will then pop you up this several menu. Click on the profile button and locate the email address field. Click the edit button right next to your registered email and enter your current email address in the text box. Now on the next field, enter the new email address you are trying to change to for your account. On the next field, confirm your new email address. Make sure to retype in this email address you are trying to change to. And finally, click on change email. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change your email address for Lululemon account. So that's pretty much it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.